My name is Miss Lee, and I'm here today to tell you how to use a number line to solve an addition problem. The first problem we have is 44 plus 36 equals, I don't know. Let's figure it out. I'm going to start with 44 because it's the first number in our problem. I'll draw my number line, and I'm going to put 44 right up front. Now, I always tell my students when they add a number to break it up kind of into ones and tens. This would be 6 ones, and this would be 3 tens to give you 30. 10, 20, 30. So to add 36, they will be making 3 jumps of 10 and 1 jump of 6. Let's get started. All right, 44 plus 10 is going to give me 54. I know this because I added a multiple of 10. My ones digit did not change, and I still have 4 ones in the ones place to give me 54. I have one more 10. I'm going to add another 10. I did my first one. This is a jump of 10. 54 plus 10 is going to give me 64. I added my second 10. Now I'm going to add my third 10. 64 plus 10 gives me 74. Awesome. I've added my last 10. Now let's move on to the ones. 74 plus 6. Wait a second. 4 plus 6 is an addition fact that gives you 10. So I know I'm going to have 70, and this 4 and 6 gives me another 10, so I'll have 80. My answer is 80. I can see a jump of 36 on my number line. 10, 20, 30, 6. It's very important that your numbers line up, and wherever you're jumping, you put your number right below where you land. Okay. Again, 44 plus 36 equals 80. Now let's use a number line to solve a story problem. Alright, Miss Lee has 65 gumballs. Miss Casterman gave her 23 more. How many gumballs does Miss Lee have in all? First I want to think of an equation. What is this asking me? Well, Miss Lee had 65 gumballs. I know I'm working with the number 65, so I'm going to circle it. And then Miss Casterman gave her 23 more. So I'm working with 23. I think that sounds like an addition problem. 65 plus 23 more equals blank. Let's use a number line to figure it out. I'm going to start my number line with 65 because I started with 65 gumballs. Now, I always tell my students, like I said, that I want to break them up into ones and tens. 2 tens gives you 10, 20. And 3 ones is a jump of 3. Let's go for it. 65 plus 10 is going to give me 75. Because I added a multiple of 10, my ones digit didn't change. I only added one more 10. Alright, 75 plus 10 gives me 85. I've added both of my 10s. Now, let's do the ones. I'm going to jump 3 because there are 3 ones in 23. 85 plus 3 is 88. And this is my answer. I can see when I go back that I had 65 and I added 23, 2 jumps of 10 and a jump of 3 to give me 88. And that is how you use a number line to show an addition problem. Maybe you'll see me next time with more math and possibly a song.